Hey guys, happy International Wheelchair Day, and that is held on the first March of every year. This day was founded by Steve Wilkinson. He has spina bifida, and he thought we should celebrate the positive impact of wheelchairs on people who have disabilities and the people who really need these assistive devices to make their lives better. So, for me, who was diagnosed with muscular dystrophy a decade ago, and the doctor told me that your muscles will keep on getting weaker to the extent that you will need a wheelchair one day, wheelchair was a very threatening word for me. Even when I used to go to the office and I see a wheelchair lying in any one of the corners, it was very threatening for me. So today I'll tell you the two reasons why I was not buying a wheelchair. The first reason for me is that I used to think that if I buy a wheelchair, then I'm just resigning myself to the fate. If I start using a wheelchair, that means my muscles can keep on getting weaker because then I will not be even walking inside the house. That was definitely one of my dilemmas. The second reason why I was not buying a wheelchair was because I did not own a car. And I used to think that how will I transport my wheelchair? Because it's just my mother, myself, and my son, and we don't drive a car. So even if you have a car, then you need either a ramp because the wheelchairs are heavy. So either you need a ramp or you need somebody to pick it up and load it into the car. And that can require two people at least. And then if you're taking a wheelchair outside with yourself, you need a person to assist you as well. So there are just so many limitations that I used to think which would restrict me from buying a wheelchair. And I was not able to convince myself of why should I buy a wheelchair. I knew that my situation was progressing, my muscles were getting weaker and I was falling down, I was hurting myself, and it was getting difficult for me to go outside. I was restricting myself. I was just locking myself inside the house after COVID. A lot of these things were happening, but I was still not buying a wheelchair. And that is the situation which happens with a lot of people with muscular dystrophy. They avoid buying a wheelchair to the extent that, people will not even understand their disability when they go out because it's mostly invisible. We look fine from outside, but we know as people with dystrophy that our muscles become so weak over the time that if we stand or even if we walk for a little bit, then we feel like that we'll just fall down, and if I fall down, then I cannot get up. So it is a very difficult situation to live with, and that's why wheelchairs are very important for people like us.